My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Welcome to Bullcrack Club. Today we're gonna teach you and help you with diagnosing check engine lights. Today we're just working on a 2010 Cadillac Escalade.
Nino decided not to show up.
We don't need to talk about that right now.
After how many months?
It's okay.
Fuck you, Nino.
We got 0.9 here.
We got 0.9.
The first thing you need to do is figure out what code is setting the check engine light. You can do that a couple ways. Either you can invest in a Game Boy here. This is my Game Boy. Or you can go to AutoZone. They'll run the code for you, or go to like an O'Reilly's or something. They have a code scanner. You just scan the code, figure out what codes you have. So I'm in the process of doing that. My Game Boy's loading. ECU1. Oh, there we go. There's the code. Okay, so we got a engine oil pressure sensor switch high, P0523, another P0523, and same one again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clear the code
And then fixed
and ship it.
fix the code.
Just kidding. Marco, what's the first step to diagnosing a light or a check engine light? You Google it, guys.
YouTube?
Wrong.
Yes.
You verify the customer concern.
Okay, that's like, you're right, that is the first step. You gotta verify the problems there.
This isn't a
The,
shop,
the,
bro.
the first thing I do is I just type it into Google, right? P0523, and then you type in the vehicle. That's not helping. That's just making a glare. That's just making a Escalade. Escalated, no. Escalade. We're not gonna look at my search history here. That's important.
Don't forget to clear it.
Okay, so we got oil pressure issues. So you just click on a forum, right? And
Make a YouTube video about another person's YouTube video.
so basically what the forums are saying is they have a lot of issues with the oil pressure sensor itself. A lot of the time the oil pressure sensor leaks into the pins in the connector, and that just causes a bad connection, and in turn that causes the light to come on. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this cover off. We're gonna pull it off and see how hard it is to get to the oil pressure switch. Then you very simply just pull the cover off. We definitely didn't pre-take this off. Shit, we should. I'll get stuck on something in the back. Great. Here we go. Easy, buddy. Okay, comes off. Easy. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Next, we're gonna be doing some hot Pilates in the sauna right outside your door. Definitely haven't been trying to take this off for like, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah,
10 minutes? There's a gray locking tab that you have to, this gray piece right here, you have to pop it straight up first before you can push the detent for the connector. I'll try that now. Are you recording or taking pictures, dude?
was
Come on,
taking
0.9,
pictures.
get your shit together. Okay, by we I mean I, got the extension and the socket, I'll show you the socket in a little bit, onto the oil pressure switch, and it's about a 6-inch extension with a 3/8 swivel and a 3/8 socket. You can see that there.
All the startups, like Facebook and all over there, the Silicon Valley area.
And then you
show is about a startup company, like all programmers. With the
crack it loose.
Breaks loose, boys.
That's the important part. Okay.
Hotties, I am fucking
Recording.
recording right
You didn't
now,
say
bro.
you didn't say quiet on set. How am I supposed to fucking know, dude?
Well, that's your
there. Right there. You see him? I'm shooting right now. He's moving. Yeah, you got him. Lift up. Dude, he's on your room. That motherfucker. Oh my God!
It was good. The hill was shitty.
Talking to wheelies.
What are you doing?
Okay. So we're gonna replace this with, no, we're gonna replace this with the new one.
don't even know. I should figure that out. It's less than 200.
It's making a weird noise. I don't know if we should put that one in. I think we're gonna send it.
The side stuff.
Never mind. I'm an idiot. That's a crush washer. There's a crush washer here, obviously. So right on the edge, so that way it seals up and won't leak. I knew that. The socket that we used is a 1 1/16. This is a fancy snap-on one, but you can get it at your local auto parts store. It's got like beveled edges, so that way it can grip the shape of the sensor. Now we're gonna go thread this on and tighten. So I stopped fixing this and I just jumped in a pool quick. Just got back from the pool. It's definitely where all this moisture is coming from, definitely not humidity. And so now I got it on, I connected the connector for the oil pressure switch. We're about to put the cover back on and see if it's fixed.
Swimming pool, huh?
Yeah. So you want to torque that pressure switch to spec. Of course, spec. And we don't have my phone there for.
Do you know what the spec is?
It's to the spec. You don't want to go over the spec, and you definitely don't want to go under the spec. You want to go to the spec.
Gotcha.
The other thing is my phone definitely isn't there for instructional purposes.
Not at all.
Then you just finagle this in. You gotta go around that.
She's getting in there.
And you gotta line the dowels up, and then you. Okay.
How's it look?
Good. Let me show him something.
All right.
Okay, you guys just probably went on a roller coaster for a second there. But now the oil pressure is reading 44. I made the mistake of not showing you before, but it was just reading dashes. So this indicates that it is getting a reading now, and we got oil pressure. It's reading okay. We're gonna cycle the key.
Is this your phone?
Just to make sure that the check engine light doesn't come back. Maybe we'll do it one more time. Lots of codes, they don't set a check engine light until it sees the code set multiple times. So that's okay. And I believe we've fixed it. Oh my God. I know at the beginning of the video I was wearing a light gray shirt, now it is dark gray. I hope you learned something. I hope you guys can really in the comments help us get 9.0 back, because I don't know how this editing is going to turn out.
And he's clearly right here.
Fuck that guy.
Akko's going to do this. Get out of here. You're not involved with us anymore.
We're trying to get him back.
0.9 right now has really steady hands. We'll try to do our best. I hope you learned something. We basically taught you how to replace an oil pressure switch and fix a check engine light on this particular vehicle. Like, share, comment.
Welcome to the club.
Skedaddle.